Hi, welcome to the podcast Why. Here's Why, made as a part of Indian Film Project in association with Anchor by Spotify. In this whole podcast series of 20 episodes, we would be having answers of different questions which would be of my thoughts or the thoughts I get from others through internet. So let's have a quick recap of previous episode of 1 and 2 to continue the maintain the continuity of the episode and for your clearness and to get more insights of the episodes of episode 1 and 2, make sure to listen both of them in the sequence. So in episode 1 and 2 we would be getting to know that there are seven different people named as Arya, belong to seven different continents but the same planet Earth. They all are having seven different gender but they all look alike same, and they all are of same age. They all have nearly same voice tone, and they all seven met with an accident in and get themselves in coma in their respective continent in their respective hospital, and they found themselves in a null void. That is a space where our whole podcast series situation would be lying and happening. So in the episode 2 they get the answer about if there are seven or more identical people exist in the same planet Earth, why they never met each other in this in the era of virtual and social life where everyone can meet each other and coincidentally met each other. And to know the answer of this question you can listen to whole podcast 2, and to get the whole scenario like what is going on here you can listen to episode 1. So in this episode, which is episode 3, we would be having the answer of a question which is asked by any one of them seven people. Now in all 20 episodes we would be not focusing that which character asked with what question, as they have seven different gender but they have same name Arya, and they are all are asking the question from the single light source which is formed because of the seven different color, that is unconscious mind of their seven respective peoples, and formed in a single light source of seven, which is also a subconscious mind from which they are speaking. So here they ask a question like why we have seven different genders and why they made us this much difference and why they face the criticism in the earth, and majorly uh, other genders apart from male and female ask this question like and why we face this. Even some males also, the character which is male, he also says that yes we also face the discrimination or criticism in the universe in the planet earth specific. So they get an answer like they have made seven different physical genders, but that is not mainly a gender basis. The discrimination and the criticism is made by the humans. Are we ourselves in a society made the consideration that who is not to be in the society or who is need to be in the society, but as a creator the life form is made in the all possible aspects, as there are endless possibilities of a life form to be formed in a different way. They get the seven different or more than seven different genders in the same planet, and it's clearly the revolution of the planet earth, and the revolution can never be stopped or never can be denied, but the discrimination they need to face is completely on themselves, that whether they need to face it or they need to ignore it and grow themselves by and make a better society. Each and every gender or each and every living being plays a vital role in the planet earth or in the whole universe to contribute each and every life in the life cycle. So in this episode we get an answer about the gender and the discrimination that we have. The rules and regulations are made by us, like we human being. There could be possibilities that in animals, as we don't know animal life rules and regulations, that what they go through, but we always seen that there are also different kind of animals. So as in human being we can recognize that which human is of which gender. Maybe the animals can also recognize which is of which gender or which breed. In their case it is breed. So they also sometimes behave according to their mental capabilities, that they need to treat who like whom. And in human being we got the brain, and we are blessed that we have this great brain by which we can create norms to live in a society. But it is our responsibility to treat each and every living being as with a respect as what we want to with ourselves. It doesn't matter what gender you belong. It doesn't matter what which kind of living being you are. Even if it's animal, you need to treat them with a care until unless you are getting harmed or you are getting endangered of your safety. So take care, be well, be safe, be curious, help each and everyone around you, and let's make a better society. Thank you.